Hi everyone, and today we are going to be making a chatterbox as well as an envelope. As you guys know, or maybe not know, there's a video that said envelope making. Yeah, I know. But I know it wasn't that clear because none of you could see what I was doing. So I decided to try and do it again so it's more clear for you. Now, I'm thinking of starting off with the envelope. But first, let's explain the supplies you need. So, you'll need a pencil, which we're about to go get. Some paper like this. And if you don't have paper like this, that is fine. You can just use a normal piece of paper. You put it like this, then you cut it and then open it, and then there will be a square. I'm not using it, so yep. Let me just go get a little pencil. Okay, back. I'm very resourceful, so I decided. So my new pencil case is a Pringles can. So let's get a pen out of here. And, there we go. Okay, let's get started. On my envelope, I want my envelope to be blue. So let's do this. First, we put it like this. Now we open it up. Now we do the same, but just the other way. So like this. So now it's folded up like that. Now we're going to put it up like that. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Make sure you fold it carefully. Now we're going to go here. Don't do all of them. You have to wait for me. You might do something wrong, so you have to see what I'm going to do first, because some people do make a mistake because they don't watch the people before they do things. So then they'll throw away the paper and you're wasting paper. So now we're going to turn this around and put this up. Now we're going to get this and put it up here. Just like that. Now we're going to put it down and then put it like this. Swoop. Okay, there we go. Now we'll put it back up again. Now we'll put this down. And we're done with our envelope. Ta-da! And it's kind of hard to make it, like stay down. But yeah, so we're done with the envelope. So we're going to put it here. Now we're going to do our chatterbox. So, this is my last red piece of paper. I'm going to make my chatterbox a red. I never did a red one before. I like a lot of fiery colors, as you can see. My favorite color is red because I'm an egghead. So there's orange, yellow, and yellow, and I haven't done a red yet, but I have once, but that one didn't work out well. And yeah, so let's keep it going. So we're going to do the same as last time. We're going to go up, then do that, then do the same thing, just like this. We're making the chatterbox now. There we go. Now we're going to put the flap up just like this. Now we're going to go here. Now we're going to go here, just like in the envelope. And now, this time we're going to go like that. Now we're going to flip it over. Oops, there's something at the back, but that's fine. I'm going to put that there. Now we're going to put that there. I love doing craft. It's just amazing. There we go. Now let's get our pens and write 1, 2. What's wrong with this pen? There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to do a circle or whatever you want. You can draw whatever you want. But it has to be different each, like square. So let's do this. Square, rectangle, and a triangle. Okay. Now we're going to put our pencils or textures or whatever thing you use to draw down, and now let's fold it in half just like this. 2 squares on each side. Now let's do the same, just like that. Now we're going to put a flap up, and then another flap up, and then another flap up, and then the other one up. Whew. I wasn't that careful. And now we've got to the red one. Ta-da! It's a bit crumpled, but because I wasn't that careful, as this one, it was beautiful and really good because I was very careful. But this one, I wasn't that as careful because I'm a bit in a rush because it's getting really late. Because my father couldn't help me set up the camera because he was working. So, yeah, we had to wait a long time. And we're done. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!